3 important things you need to know before using this tool. Number 1, you always want to use heat protectant. Number 2, make sure that your hair is towel dried or a little bit air dried before you start drying it. And number 3, you can actually use this on your dry hair. Hey everyone, I'm Becca. Welcome back to my channel. We're talking all about hairbrush blow dryer. Today I have the Hot Tools one. I used to have the Revlon, actually I had both. I had the Revlon and the Hot Tools one. The Revlon one broke, so I have the Hot Tools one. I have literally been back at the salon for like 2 seconds, and 80% of the people, they use this tool to style their hair at home. I think it's an amazing tool. So I'm gonna show you from start to finish how I use it to style my hair. You can pick these up on Amazon. You can pick it up in the link in the description. I like the Hot Tools one, but honestly, I think they're all probably the same. Amika has one, Revlon has one, Hot Tools has one, literally everyone has one. And I don't think that one is better than the other, although the Revlon one did break, so maybe buy the Hot Tools one, but honestly, I think they're all made by the same company. I just washed my hair and I am going to prep it with heat protection. I'm gonna use a styler and I'm gonna use a hydrating cream for the ends. My dearly beloved Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is literally my favorite. Just my favorite. If you don't have it yet, just go buy it. Or buy it from the link in the description. Orbe Volumista. Ooh. I'm trying this out. I always think that it's like more gummy than it is, but it's not. It's very liquidy. Like, that's very liquidy. So it makes me think that there's not as much hold in it as they claim that there is. Smells good though. All right, so my hair has been in a towel the whole time that I was putting on my makeup. So it's not like sopping wet. It's like damp, towel dried hair. And one of the reasons why you want to make sure that it's like a little bit dry, because this plate can get really hot and it can fry your hair off. So make sure that if you're using this tool, you're being smart and using heat protection. So if you're gonna buy one product, buy this one. It's expensive, but it's so worth it because it has hydration, it has strength, it has humidity protection, has moisture control, it's got heat protection, 450 degrees of heat. Like, this is amazing. So make sure that you don't fry your hair off. I don't want you to be all up in the comments saying, I used that tool and it fried my hair off, because you probably didn't do it right. So honestly, I just do this as fast as I can, and I like to start in the front and then I move my way back. Let's get to it. I'm gonna speed it up because ain't nobody got time to watch me do this whole thing, but I want you to at least see what I do. I'm gonna be setting it on high. And I know there are gonna be some of you guys out there that's like, don't do it on high because you're gonna fry your hair off. That's why I use heat protection, and the low I just feel like is too low and I'm too impatient. So I just do it on high, okay? If you have really thin hair or damaged hair or chemically treated hair and it's a little fragile, maybe use low, but I'm going for high. Hot. Okay, so one thing I don't like about that product is you can't control the heat setting. Like, it is what it is, and like you can't really get at your root. So if you're someone that like struggles with frizz and you need to get smoothness at your root, this isn't gonna be a good tool for you because it's just not as precise. Well, that's pretty good for a little at-home blowout in under 10 minutes. So I just have it on the low setting right now. And I'm just trying to tweak my bangs. I'm just twisting it so I get a little bit more of that vibe going on. Because this thing is so hot right now. I'm probably yelling, but this thing is so hot right now, I don't want to fry my little front pieces. Let me show you a quick trick, quick technique that you can do to get this like little flippy curl thing going on. Just twist it as you pull it out. Okay, so don't like this. I don't like it. It's too heavy. And it might have been like the combo of this and this. Like this has hydration and so does this. So maybe not together, but I've used this a few times and I just don't like it. Okay, that's it. Super easy. One thing to know is that you always want to keep this moving. Like, this is hot. This plate is really, really hot, and you just always want to keep it moving. Don't let your hair sit in this while it's on high heat. If you want to set it to the cool setting, like if you're doing like a set on top and you're like rolling it down and you want to hold that, put it on cool so it can cool in that like shape, and then pull it out and you can like twist it. But don't let this sit on your hair when it's super hot. Like, don't leave it in one place. You want to make sure to always keep it moving. We don't want a bunch of singed hair pieces walking around town. All right, friends, that's it for a super easy video on how to very easily, very safely use this tool. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You know, I'm in the salon 4 days a week and try and post 1 video a week. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe. And you know what? I think that's it for me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I try really hard to get to all the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.